We guide you through how to get an image ID in Roblox and copy a Decal ID. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to the official Roblox website, then log into your account. Next, click on Create or go to directly to the creator's dashboard and select Decals. Under your creations, here you'll see all the images you've uploaded. Now, choose the image you want to use and click on it to open its dedicated page. Once opened, look at the URL in your browser's address bar and you'll find a set of numbers. This is your image ID or decal ID. Simply highlight those numbers and copy them. If you don't have an uploaded image yet, click Upload Asset, select your image file, wait for it to approve, then open it and repeat the same process to get the ID. You can now paste this ID into your game or script where a decal or image asset is needed. And that's how you quickly find and copy an image ID in Roblox.